Windows are essential to your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. But like all parts of a home, they wear down over time. If you live in Sanford, where hot summers and occasional storms put stress on window frames and seals, staying ahead of window damage can save you money and frustration. Here are the top signs that it's time to replace your windows in Sanford this year. You feel drafts or notice temperature swings. If you walk by your windows and feel a breeze when they're closed, that's a major sign your seals have failed. Poor insulation leads to inconsistent indoor temperatures and increased energy bills. In Sanford's climate, efficient windows are essential to keeping cool air in during the summer and reducing the load on your HVAC system. Your energy bills keep going up. Have your energy costs increased despite regular HVAC maintenance and usage habits? Your windows might be to blame. Older or poorly insulated windows allow heat to penetrate in the summer and escape in cooler months. Upgrading to energy-efficient models can significantly lower your monthly bills while making your home more comfortable year-round. The windows are difficult to open or close. If you have to struggle to open or shut your windows, or they no longer lock properly, it's time to consider a replacement. This could be due to warping, rusted hardware, or frame deterioration, all of which can compromise both the functionality and safety of your home. In Sanford's humid climate, wooden frames especially are prone to swelling or rotting over time. You see moisture between the glass pane. Double or triple pane windows are designed to provide insulation via air or gas sealed between the panes. If you see fog or condensation forming inside the glass, it means the seal has broken and the window is no longer insulating your home properly. Not only does this look unsightly, but it also impacts energy efficiency and can lead to mold and mildew growth. Outside noise is becoming a problem. Can you hear traffic, barking dogs, or other neighborhood sounds more clearly than before? Newer windows are designed to block out noise more effectively than older, single-pane varieties. If your home has become noisier, it may be time to switch to modern, sound-reducing windows that improve your quality of life. Your windows are visibly damaged. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, or sagging sashes aren't just cosmetic issues. They signal that your windows are nearing the end of their lifespan. Damaged windows also compromise home security and can bring down the curb appeal and value of your property. A clean, updated window look adds both style and safety. You still have single-pane windows. Many older homes in Sanford still have single-pane windows, which are highly inefficient in modern climates. They do little to keep heat out or in and offer minimal noise reduction. Replacing them with double-pane or energy-efficient alternatives is one of the best upgrades you can make for comfort, efficiency, and resale value. Why now is the right time for replacement? Sanford's weather, from hot summer days to occasional storms, can accelerate wear on your windows. Replacing old windows before hurricane season arrives ensures your home is protected from both heat and weather-related damage. Plus, Modern windows are available in a wide range of styles and materials that suit both traditional and modern home designs. Final thoughts. Window replacement might seem like a big investment, but the long-term benefits, from lower energy costs and improved comfort to better aesthetics and home security, make it well worth it. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, don't wait until problems worsen. A professional window assessment can help you decide the best solution for your Sanford home and keep it efficient, stylish, and secure for years to come.